You're not
This
though.
is Aqua and Jet. So we're going to the Echo Box. I'm West Jet. And pet that.
Dude, you have to talk louder.
Let's go.
Yeah.
This guy can flop. And he can do other things. He can run. Oh! I beat this thing. I can do it. I can do it. Oh, that's kind of like Pinata. And this is my. That's kind of like Pinata.
Are you gonna open it or?
Well, this is very cute, guys. He can actually take his body off.
How did Adler already open his?
And this is in full WestJet bag.
Sick. Did you drink that?
Yeah.
Rita, he just drank out of that bucket.
Hey, is the fence metal? Honey, can you do the cards? Is that fence metal?
Yeah, just,
Can you do that?
yeah.
Here. This is metal. Here, the cards. And that's the end of it, folks. Oh, look! Look at him.